from the virtues of the companions radiallahu ta'ala anhum, that not only did they witness this revelation being revealed, but they also strived to take knowledge from the one in which this revelation was being revealed to, the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. The companions, the virtues of the companions, they went directly and benefited from the best of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creation, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he says, Wallahi, لقد أخذت من في رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بدعا وسبعين سورة. Wallahi, I have taken from the mouth of the Prophet عليه الصلاة والسلام 70 odd surahs. Wallahi, لقد علم أصحاب النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أني من أعلمهم بكتاب الله وما أنا بخيرهم. Wallahi, the companions of the Prophet عليه الصلاة والسلام, they know that I am from the most knowledgeable amongst them in the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but I am not from the best of them. Despite me, despite being the fact that I am the most aware of the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala than them, I am not the best. قال الشقيق رحمه الله وهو راوي الحديث. Shaqiq, he said, the one who's narrating this hadith, he said, فجلست في حلق أسمع ما يقولون فما سمعت ردا يقول غير ذلك. He said, I went and I sat down in the gatherings of the companions to see if there was anybody else that would oppose Abdullah ibn Mas'ud in this. And he said, I did not find anybody that opposed them in that. The virtues of the Prophet, the companions radiallahu ta'ala anhum, taking knowledge from